Hello Instagram user, if you struggling with Instagram hashtag problem or Instagram hashtag limit problem and Instagram show you can only add 3 hashtags to your caption, let's see the easy solution. Step 1. Open your Instagram app. Click on your Instagram profile from the lower right corner. Now tap on 3 line from the top right corner. Now scroll down and find out Instagram help. Go to Instagram help. Now click on report a problem. Now tap on report problem. Tap on include and continue. Now in this box, briefly explain what happened or what's not working for you. So in this box, write down, "Hi Instagram support team, I cannot add multiple hashtags in my Instagram caption. Instagram show me you can add only 3 hashtags to your caption. Please solve this problem as soon as possible." Then send your report to the Instagram support team. Now go back and follow the second step. Open Google Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, open your App Store. Now search Instagram app. Go to Instagram app. Now scroll down. From here, please leave Instagram beta version, because Instagram currently implementing a new update that officially limit the number of hashtags to between 3 and 5 per post for many users. Instagram aims to encourage more specific quality content tagging and reduce spam. So please leave the Instagram beta version. And remember, please don't update your Instagram app because it is Instagram new update. And most important thing, don't use banned, restricted, and spam hashtag. Please try to use hashtag that relevant to your content. So if you follow our instruction, your Instagram hashtag problem or Instagram hashtag limit problem will be solved.